Guys, wile godi nenye i-member yehlelo elimnandi silithandako lango 8 generations the legacy kwe-SABC1. Niyamazi nimbone entorini eziningi kodwa nako generations udlala irole iphi?
Nokwazi Ikwekwezi.
Nokwazi Ikwekwezi. Ekhaya ngubani ekhaya?
Tina Mnumzana.
Siyabonga mamthina. Who's the most famous Ndebele person you know?
Umam kanjobani ushaya isigingqi.
Oh.
Umam ngenga
Nothembi.
Umam Nothembi.
Which radio station did you grow up listening to?
Lesedi FM. Yeah, because Bloemfontein couldn't be Sotho, but I will listen to Setswana there and there because I understand.
Ana Lesedi ba re ke molelelwa ne?
Ke molelelwa. Yes, ke Lesedi. I will listen to each and everyone as long as I can understand the language. Are you going to teach me Ndebele?
Yeah.
Oh,
Teach
yeah.
Ndebele. Teach Ndebele.
Ngiyathokoza.
Yeah.
Asibonge.
Give me 3 of your all-time favorite presenters, Belisedi.
Thuso Mtaung.
How ntate?
Yeah, ntate Thuso Mtaung. Ke batla ba khale jano o ke na le o mong is my friend ke Thulana Mletsane and le Sbosh.
Oh,
yeah.
And who is the most famous person in your contact list?
Sure. I don't have one. I have some few.
Yeah. Give us 2 maybe.
Pamela Novete. Definitely Pamela Novete.
Kana le tsene sekolo kae?
O Bloemfontein.
Kingi high school o tseneng go yona.
Moemedi High School.
6 plus 7 ke 11 or ke 11?
6 plus?
7.
Oh my God, 13. Why una na ke mathematics?
What language do blind people speak?
Any language. I think they don't use their eyes to talk.
We are cruising nicely.
What is heavier between 10 kg of rocks and 10 kg of feathers?
Mara wena o mpotsa dipotso tse di yang. Obviously rocks.
And what animal is on your 100 rand note?
Kana e bitsa eng? Rhino.
In the Bible, who betrayed Jesus Christ?
Oh, Kosiam, ke Judas. Ke Judas.
And according to the Bible, Noah took 2 of each animals into the ark. But how many human beings did he take with him?
All those who wanted to be in that.
How many were there?
I don't know.
Back to Limpopo.
Yeah, Jesus, God me, help me.
Okay, can you say silk 3 times?
Silk.
Filk 3 times.
Filk.
Ilk 3 times.
Ilk.
What do cows drink?
Water.
What's happening? Huh?
If we are driving in a bus full of 10 people, at the first stop, 5 people take off, and then the second stop, 2 people drop off. How old is the driver?
I get they didn't tell us the age of the driver. What if the driver is 10?
Okay, what vitamin do you get from the sun?
Vitamin D.
What time is 9 hours before midnight?
I get it. I'll have to calculate. Pen calculator, I'll calculate.
Can you repeat after me? Ne? Blue,
Blue,
red,
red,
yellow,
yellow,
orange.
orange,
What color is grass?
green.
Okay, can you complete this sentence for me?
Question, yeah?
No. Gukanya.
Kukhanya pa.
Thank you.
Akukho mnyama kukhanya ba.
Gadanga emkhanyweni uzwe amandla Ikwekwezi FM
Izinto zimoto yo
ikuphethe butshelela kukhanya ba